7 methods for being a productive and effective employee. When most people think of productive and effective employees, they think of the employee that always has their assignments done on time and to the best of their ability. And that's not wrong. However, it also overlooks many aspects of an employee that's productive and effective. 1. Take charge. When everyone's unsure how to proceed, be the one to start making a game plan. Others will follow and start chipping in as needed. An emergency arises over a project, step up and act. Again, others will follow and proceed with the appropriate action. 2. Make allies across the organization. There are always allies to be made in other departments. Sometimes it's the secretary that holds the key to the supply closet. Other times this is the man that delivers your mail. Take time to get to know and build relationships with these individuals. Every person at a company has a role to play, and you're never too good to not be friends with them. 3. Give your full attention. Multitasking will be your downfall. Give your full attention to whatever you're doing. The assignment you're working on, the coworker that's asking you a question or passing along pertinent information. Pay attention. Don't multitask. 4. Focus on results, not on to-do lists. Even the most well-intentioned to-do list can go awry. Instead of looking at the check marks on the page, look at results your work is creating. If the result is not up to par or far from the mark, reevaluate how you're working. 5. Pay attention, but don't compare. Pay attention to other employees that are moving up the ladder and doing well. Take note of what he or she is doing, how they're making things happen, and impressing the higher-ups. However, do not compare yourself. Everyone's different, does their work differently, and will follow their own path. There's a fine line between learning and comparing. 6. Identify inefficiencies. These can be inefficiencies in your own work or in the way the company operates. Is your work still sending out snail mail where an email would be more efficient and cost-effective? Ask your supervisor about a trial run of emails. Inefficiencies are costly in time and money. 7. Own up to your mistakes. It will happen. It does to everyone. You will make a mistake. Own up to it, fix it, move on. Being an employee that is productive and effective is about more than completing work on time. It's about thinking outside the box, asking questions, and stepping up when no one else will. Start taking the small steps necessary to be more productive and effective.